How to sign out or log out of Google account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basant, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out of Google account. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to head into your phone settings. You can just scroll down the notification bar and head into settings from there, or you can simply head into settings. Now under settings, what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you find the option that says accounts and backup. You can see here account and backup option. You want to simply tap on it, and here you can see the option that says manage accounts. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you'll get various accounts on your device. Now you want to locate the Google account that you wish to log out from. If you just wish to log out a particular account, what you can do is you can simply tap on that particular account, and then you can see the remove account option at the screen. You want to simply tap on remove account, and it'll ask you for the confirmation. Once you tap on remove, your account will be removed from your device and it'll be logged out from every single application and Google as well. So this way you can log out your Google account or sign out of your Google account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.